In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your Instagram password if you know your current password. So the first thing you need to do is log into the account you want to reset the password to, and then you want to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the page. Then you want to navigate to where it says settings, and this is an Android device and it might look slightly different on an iOS device, but you tap on settings and then you want to go ahead and tap on security, and then at the top it says password, you tap on password. Now you have to put in your current password and then the new password twice. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I've gone ahead and done that, and now I'll just tap on the check mark at the top right, and now my password has been changed. So if you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.